corners of my mind start racing. Things that should be kept in the basement, spend my time trying to erase them.